Curious about who's visiting your WordPress site right now? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to track live visitors on your WordPress website step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up your site to see real-time stats, so you can make more informed decisions, see what content is catching attention, or just enjoy watching your site grow as it happens. Let's get right into the process. To start, let's talk about installing an analytics plugin. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is essentially the control room of your website. On the left sidebar, you'll see a menu called Plugins. Hover over it, then click on Add New. This page is where you can add new features to your website. In the search bar at the top right, type in the name of a popular analytics plugin like Monster Insights or Sitekit by Google. Both of these plugins are highly respected and widely used, so feel confident picking either one. For the purposes of this tutorial, let's go with Sitekit by Google. Sitekit integrates seamlessly with WordPress, acting like a dashboard for all things analytics straight from Google itself. Once you see Sitekit by Google in the search results, click Install Now. You'll notice WordPress working for a moment. Don't be surprised, it's setting everything up behind the scenes. After installation, click the blue Activate button. Activation is key. Just installing a plugin isn't enough, you need to switch it on so WordPress knows to use it. With the plugin activated, you'll be prompted to connect your site to Google Analytics. Most plugins, including Sitekit, make this part super straightforward with a setup wizard. Picture it as a series of gentle hurdles. You just follow along, clicking Next as it asks for information. You'll need to sign in to your Google account and allow the permissions the plugin requests. It may sound a bit technical, but think of each step as connecting the pipes between your website and Google's powerful analytics system. At some point, the wizard will ask for a measurement ID from Google Analytics. This is like the mailing address for your website, so Google knows exactly where to send the visitor data. Just copy and paste it from your Google Analytics account. You'll find instructions in the wizard if you're unsure. Don't worry if this setup takes a few tries or feels fiddly the first time. It's completely normal. As long as you grant the necessary permissions and finish each step of the wizard, you're golden. Now, with everything connected, the magic starts. Initial data collection can take a few hours, so don't be alarmed if you don't see lots of data instantly. It's almost like turning on a new security camera. It needs a little time to start capturing what's going on. Once data starts coming in, Sitekit will provide a unified dashboard right inside your WordPress admin area. Think of this as a live scoreboard for your website. You can see in real time how many visitors are currently browsing, where they're coming from, and even what pages they're checking out. Why does this matter? Knowing your live stats means you can understand your audience instantly. Say you just sent a newsletter out or shared a link on social media. Now you can watch as people arrive and engage moment by moment. It's incredibly helpful for anyone who wants to grow their website, react quickly to trends, or just feel more connected to their community. And that's it. You've set up live visitor tracking on your WordPress site using an intuitive plugin and Google's own analytics. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you run into any issues, feel free to drop your questions in the comments. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.